Governor Gov Okpebholo don launch better loan wey no carry any interest and na 1 billion naira in total. This loan go help people for grassroots like farmers and small business people grow their hustle well. E yarn say this na part of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu renewed hope agenda. Dem do the launch for Government House Benin City and the place full as people come celebrate the good news and over 5,000 people go benefit from the loan. As the governor dey talk to plenty market women and men wey full the place, im yarn say im administration dey follow the same road wey President Tinubu don already map out for Naija. E con talk say dem talk say make you follow who sabi road, that na why dem dey follow President Tinubu style, and say wetin dem dey do like this so for Edo na to carry the President agenda come down to grassroots level. E come add say Baba God don bless us with ogbonge leadership for Edo and Naija, and say now na the time to move Edo people forward. Governor Okpebholo come also here and say im no want make the money miss road. That na why dem gather here. Say before if dem give loan, e no dey reach people wey need am. Say but this time e go different as e wan make sure say the money go reach the correct people. Oga Governor come also remind dem say this loan na wetin im promise during im campaign. E con tell the people say if dem no give them their share, make dem come meet am. Say this one na just test run, and if e work wella, dem go do more.
We decided, we Edo people, to follow our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Because what we are doing in Edo State is the agenda of Mr. President. We were here yesterday to thank God for the state and also thank God for Nigeria for the kind of leadership that God has given to Edo State and Nigeria at large. Now, it is time for progress for Edo people. I can remember vividly when I was campaigning, I said I am going to provide this soft loan, interest-free loan. This is fulfillment of my promise that is starting today. I just want to make sure that this money will not go to the wrong hand. That is the essence of this gathering. Because when the executive just give out money and the money doesn't get to the root, grassroots, then they will tell you, oh, we have shared it, everybody is happy. And the governor or the executive will now feel, yes, he has done something, meanwhile he has not done anything. People from Edo North is 1,500. We must make sure 1,500 benefit from this loan. So Edo North people, know your numbers. If it's not up to that number that get the money, come back and tell me. The success we record on this one will determine the next one. People from Edo Central. Yes, I'm here. Yes, some people stand up. Edo South on here. I know you will be more in numbers. So the most important thing is this money gets to the right people. The Igbos, are they here? The Igbos, you remember when I met with you people, I made mention that we are going to give interest-free loan. This is the money. So I just pray that you people use the money well.
Honorable Commissioner for Finance Emmanuel Ehidiame Okpebholo for in part Konya and said the loan go help boost the economy for village and small towns, create work and reduce wahala of poverty. He come hail the governor for all the work when he don't do, like flyover, schools, hospital, employ teachers and increase money wey go universities, and now he don't turn to empower the people directly. Oga Finance Commissioner come talk one better thing again, say before if our mamas dem borrow 200,000 naira, dem go pay 10% interest, but this one not get any interest at all, say na just the money wey you borrow, now you go pay back. Eko talk say one person go fit borrow 200,000 naira and dem go get 1 year to pay back plus 1 month to relax before payment go start, and say some people fit even get up to 500,000 naira.
You know this 1 billion loan, the benefits are far-reaching. One, it will boost the economy of our rural areas and semi-urban areas. It will create jobs. It reduces poverty. It's not only about the projection or the agenda. The agenda, we have seen what he has done over the past 6 months. We have started building flyovers, we have built roads, we have built hospitals, we have built schools, we have employed teachers, we have increased subvention for our universities, so our universities will be better than the way it was before. Now it has come to empowering our people. It has come to empowering our people. So he wants to empower our people so that it will reduce poverty, our people will be able to also create jobs for others. So we need to tell him thank you for what he has done. Your Excellency will say thank you. I will also speak a little about the loan. We'll be giving to 5,000 beneficiaries in Edo State across the 3 senatorial districts. That's Edo South, Edo Central, and Edo North. Each beneficiary will get 200,000. And it will be paid over a period of 12 months. Meaning every month you pay about 16,600 without interest. Before now, our mothers, our sisters will go to those Shylocks, collect 200,000. They will pay 10% interest monthly. That means 20,000 on 200. In a year, that will be 240. That will not go happen again. The only thing we will beg una and say, as we give una this money, make una pay am back so that we go still take and give other set of people, so that the economy go dey grow, dey grow. And if we do it well, I know our governor, if he adjourn next time so that it will increase to reach more people.
This 1 billion naira free interest loan was first mentioned on the 19th of January 2024 by His Excellency. We as Edo Job, as the implementing agency, we took it upon ourselves to, go through the process of implementing this project. What we did is we raised 2024 last year. We immediately raised the memo through the office of the SSG to the governor. And because the governor means well for all of us, that memo did not stay. Immediately he approved it. He approved the process for us to commence. And from that January to date, we have been on the process. The process is we have to start by, getting the PFIs. The PFIs that will be the participating financial institution that will carry out this act. Along the line, upon approval, we went forth to seek for beneficiaries. In that process, we had to go through the 3 senatorial districts. With directive from His Excellency, he said we should deal with the market women, we should deal with the traders union and farmers association, the cattle rearers, rearers as well. Then we did our due diligence by going around the 3 senatorial districts in sourcing for beneficiaries. Your Excellency, sir, these people here, The information came in yesterday that we should assemble the heads of all the unions. And because we have a very strong database, we are able to reach out to them without stress. In Edo Job, we have a very strong database when it comes to our market women, all the unions, including the youth of Edo State, because we are known for one thing, job creation. Because we are known for job creation, what we do is that we get people across the 3 senatorial districts. They are already in our database. Whenever we have opportunity like this, we don't stress in getting them. What we do is that we always send a signal. And it's the same signal, sir, that is making everybody well seated here today. And that if you take this loan, in period of 1 year, you pay back the sum of 16,600 monthly. And the women, the Fadama, the AFAM, all of them, they are aware, sir, of all the processes that they need to go through in paying back this loan. So today, they are all here, and Your Excellency have said that today will be the official launching of the 1 billion free interest loan.
Plenty of Ogbonge government people tanda gidigba for the event, wey be Edo Deputy Governor Right Honorable Dennis Idausa, Speaker Edo State House of Assembly Right Honorable Blessing Agbebaku, Secretary to State Government Barrister Umar Musa Ehilo, Chief of Staff Honorable Gani Audu, among others. Market people from Edo Traders Association, Hausa Traders Association, and women group them from all 3 senatorial areas still show face for the event. Make una not forget say, as we see them, na so we dey talk am. We know the take blame. A. Carter Ojisoli, CMC News.